Today I'll teach you how you guys can create a photo collage on Facebook story. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is after opening Facebook, click on plus at the top right of your screen and click on where it says story. Once you click on story, you can see this option called select multiple, which is right beside camera roll. Click on select multiple. Now it's going to allow you to select multiple photos on your gallery. So select all the photos you want, and after you select all the photos, at the bottom you can see the option called photo collage, which is the middle one. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this. Now from over here, you can click on the photo, change its shape. Once you like the shape you want, just like this, you can even zoom into the photo, or like you can change its position like this by dragging it up and down. And after you're okay with the collage, you can click on share at the bottom right of your screen, and your photo collage will be shared on your Facebook story. So that's how we guys can create a photo collage on Facebook story. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this related with Facebook. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.